So we've just seen how to integrate JavaScript and HTML in our interpreter in our web browser. Let me show you a more complicated example. We'll see how it plays out in real life. We often use this tag to begin a web page. It's not strictly necessary, but it's very good practice. Going to use this tag to begin a paragraph. Just to remind us, it's possible to have comments in HTML. The lexer strips them out, so we're not going to see them at the interpreter level. Here I've put in a list of word elements. This is A, and then here's a tag element. And inside it, nested, are 3 more word elements, and then the tag element ends. This is an anchor tag making a link to Google. And let's say I want to write a web page about John Searle's famous Chinese room thought experiment, in which he argues against, or at least puts forth positions that cause one to consider, artificial intelligence. It's fun stuff. But I don't remember exactly when he made the experiment. I will in a totally contrived example. Super contrived. Use JavaScript to compute this. So let's say I can't remember exactly when he came out with the Chinese room thought experiment, but I do know that the date was equal to 1,260 plus 6 factorial. If only there were some way I could carry out this computation on my web page. Woe is me. So I've written some JavaScript to do just that. And compute 6 factorial plus 1260 and write it out, and then we finish out with the rest of our web page text. So this whole bit here is an embedded JavaScript fragment. And over here, we see the final result. This is a link to Google, John Searle's italicized Chinese room thought experiment from 1980. Oh, that's when it was. How silly of me not to remember. Argues against artificial intelligence. And you may notice that since there's some space here at the end of the script, this comma doesn't line up exactly with the 1980. Let's not worry about that for now.